I show you guys how to do it. Just open up File Explorer and go to C drive, go to users folder. If you don't know your username, then select the start icon. Here you can able to see your username, and then just double click on it and go to AppData folder. If you doesn't able to see this AppData folder, then select the view option and select show. Check out this hidden items option, and then you can able to see this AppData folder, and then double click on local and find the packages folder, double click on it, and now check this option date modified. This will sort by date modified, guys. The game you just played will be near to the top over here. In my case, it is Forza Horizon 3. As you can see, the game name will be shown. Just need to double click on it and double click on the system app data. And this is the folder that the game progress will be saved. Just right click and select the copy option and just paste it in another location for backup. And then just to close stuff here. And that's all you have to do it, guys. Don't forget to leave a like, guys. Thank you.